Hello, my name is Oscar Moreno with Moreno Custom Home Agents, and today we're going to teach you guys how to properly use an Orbital sander. Now, one of the things to tell you guys is when and where to use it. Real simple thing is that this piece of wood here I'm showing you, you can use an Orbital sander in order to get this down to a nice even surface. One thing you don't want to use an Orbital sander with, which is just to be very time consuming, is actually having this kind of type of wood here where you see a lot of the ridges real high up. Basically you want to get this down with a planer first and then follow up with your Orbital sander. So then as we want to get started here is we're going to go ahead and load up our Orbital sander and go ahead and attach the sandpaper to the actual sander. Once we got that secure and fastened, we're ready to start sanding. One more tip, you guys, is that depending on the actual wood you're using and how much wood you want to remove, if you want to stay in between just to get this nice to a nice good surface, just go ahead and use 120 grit sandpaper. If you want to get a little smoother, you want to go maybe a 220. If you want to go super smooth, there are higher numbers to go on, but you really don't need that for lumber. Okay, so basically what we want to use is go ahead and get started on our Orbital sander. Go ahead and start your machine and apply pressure over your actual surface as you're moving the machine back and forth until you are happy with what the outcome of the actual sanding has come out to. And that's pretty much how you use a Orbital sander.